So crypto was dealt a blow today. We're going to talk about that. And we've got another possible hit blow coming tomorrow as well. All this we're going to talk about. Look, this continues the theme, the narrative. There is just a lot of economic uncertainty, and there's a lot of uncertainty in, I think, everybody's minds every day, day in and day out. I mean, just living right now, day to day, with uncertainty around what's going on in the financial markets, tariffs. What are their impact going to be? Not going to be on just regular people like you and I. The fact that when we go to the grocery store, groceries are more expensive, fuel is more expensive, rent, interest rates, all that kind of stuff. It just creates this landscape of uncertainty. When is crypto going to break out? I mean, that's really fundamentally the question, but we'll get to that or pieces of that here in this video. All right, so let's talk about what's going on. So right now, we have gotten the US CPI report. Okay. It has come out, and I want to show you the impact it's having over on Wall Street. So let's talk about that. You can see this is Wall Street right here, and the Dow is down 353, Nasdaq's down 78. It's all a direct corollary or the punch, if you will, that we're getting from the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index report, and I tweeted it just a few minutes ago. So we did not get good news today. US CPI inflation jumped 0.05 in 1 month. This is bearish for crypto. This is the largest increase since August of 2023. And now we have to see how crypto reacts to this news as we move forward. Now, how is crypto reacting? It's not reacting great. It's down 2+%. We've got Bitcoin moving down 1.5%. Ethereum getting a little hit harder, 2.8. Solana down 4. XRP down 3. In fact, the biggest percentage move down as far as percentages: Virtual, Athena, Radium, Caspa, so forth. Now we've got some outliers: Pancake Swap, Sonic, Onyx Coin, Jitto, Maker are all up a little bit, but you can see nothing really, right? I mean, there's really not a lot of positive news here. The crypto market is definitely on edge amid economic uncertainty. It's why I highlighted that in red, because that truly is really what is going on, right? It is one of those things where I talked about this in a couple of videos yesterday, and I really believe this is what's going on. We have a situation playing out where it's truly just as simple as everybody is uncertain about where and what tomorrow will bring, where tomorrow will go and what tomorrow will bring. And thus, because of that uncertainty, they choose to not be invested in stocks and crypto. You can see stocks are down as well. A lot of people are pulling money out of stocks as well. They were down, the Dow was down 350 plus points. Does this mean that crypto is done and all that? Some of you guys are going to immediately jump to that. No, this just continues the narrative of this is where we're at. Now, ironically, crypto is actually doing fairly well from an overall market standpoint. And what I mean by fairly well is it's holding up fairly well, right? $3.120 trillion market cap. We haven't just pumped, just completely gone to the basement, if you will, just dropped like a rock. That's just simply not happening. I think that there's a lot of institutional buying going on right now. Remember, I've showed you that chart. The whales are buying, the institutions are buying right now. Retail money has left the building, is continuing to leave the building. I think that that's playing out. But the institutions continue to buy. There is so much documentation right now flowing out there around on X and on YouTube about somebody, I think it might have been Goldman Sachs, just bought 400, it's on record now. It's been released that they bought $400 million worth of Ethereum ETFs, right? The point is the institutional money is stepping in, buying. They're buying Bitcoin. They're buying Ethereum. They're buying all the large caps. Well, Austin, if they're buying, how come the crypto market's going up, not going up? That's the point. They're buying in increments that are inside of the daily volume, right? So my point is that they're not buying in excess of daily volume to spike. Like you can see Bitcoin's, daily volume is 43 billion. That's a 24-hour volume scenario. Ethereum's 24-hour volume is 23 billion. So, as an example, if $100 million purchase, I mean, that's going to capture people's attention. And what did I say? Goldman bought Ethereum ETFs. Now, the way that that works is at the end of the day, whoever's ETF they bought, if they bought, whatever big companies they bought, they have to settle up at the end of the day. They do have to go buy that Ethereum, but a lot of them are buying it on the OTC market. Okay. So my point is, what you need to walk away from the video with is to know that in industrial slash, corporate money slash whales, institutions, all that kind of stuff, governments, they're buying. They are, just as a fact. And you would say, well, Austin, I don't have enough money to buy. I get it. Okay. I'm not discounting your financial situation. And I've talked about this in videos a lot recently about the fact that the average person, I think right now, doesn't have the money to get into crypto. They don't have an extra $200 or $500 or whatever it is. Again, because of that economic uncertainty scenario playing out. Okay. So that's where we're at right now. It's not all doom and gloom. We've got another report coming tomorrow, by the way. We've got the PPI, the Producer Price Index, coming tomorrow. We'll get that at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So depending on where you're at in the country or the world, that's the time frame. The PPI tracks the manufacturing side of the house and looking at costs, inflation, things of that nature. So in line with what we got today from the CPI, I'm not going to be hugely shocked if the PPI comes in hotter than expected. Remember, because again, the CPI came in pretty hot. It came in the biggest percentage moved up since July to August. Yeah. So, and you can see October, November, December, it's going up. Okay. So something has to break. Something has to happen here. We've talked about this in previous videos. What does that look like? I don't know. I'm not an economist, guys. I don't know what all needs to happen for the Fed to wake up and go, okay, maybe we ought to reduce the interest rate. Maybe we ought to do something to combat this because it's continuing to go up. Okay. So again, we'll see. If you want help making even more money in crypto, take a look at my trading indicator. It costs a little over $1 a day. It can help you make money even in volatile times like this, because you could be using it to invest in stocks. Like this is the software working. See that green box? It's a buy alert, sell alert. This is Tesla. See up and left, that's Tesla's chart. 257 days, 187% up. You buy here, then there's been other sell alerts along the way. It's on the daily chart, but overall, the aggregate in 257 days, 187% up. So yeah. So there you go. So take that, look at that. You can use it for stocks and for crypto. This is XLM. I always talk about this one because it's a great, just shows an example of how it really works. That's a buy alert, a sell alert, 33 days, 500%. But that's the point. Like, when there's little moves everywhere, right? And so there's ways to make opportunity and make money here right now, even though this is a volatile time. So, what the software does, it takes the blinders off of you, because right now you really don't know when to buy. You don't really know when to sell and lock in and make all that profit in between, even in a rough market like this. Okay. So that's what it helps you do. It does help in bearish markets. So the link's in the description below. Check it out. The software costs about $1 a day with that discount code. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked, refund money back guarantee. So you get to try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. No questions asked. So give it a look. I'll see you. Go make some money later.